Hey, if you're a beginner guitarist or you've been playing a while but you're struggling, well, you're in the right place because I've got 6 guitar tips for beginners, and that's coming up. Welcome to Your Guitar Guide. If this is your first time here, have a look around. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips and click the bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Tip number 1 is holding your guitar upright. Of course, you're going to have it on your lap, but a lot of new guitar players want to hold it down like this so they can see the strings. That is not the proper way. Hold it upright like this. You're going to have your arm just lightly holding it in place. It may feel like it's going to fall off, but it won't. And this hand just needs to be lightly on the neck to keep it all in place. Next, we're going to learn how to hold your guitar pick. A lot of people may hold it up by your knuckle, but that may be okay for strumming, but when you want to do some picking, you're not going to get away with holding it like that. You won't be able to do it. So what you want to do is hold your first finger out, place your pick on top of your finger, and then place your thumb there, and then turn it towards the strings. What you want to do is be behind the fret, not on it, but right behind it. You want to play on the tips of your fingers, and you want to be behind the fret. Get on the tips of your fingers. See those marks on my fingers? That's the tip. That's how you want to play. Make sure it's all the strings are ringing out properly. Is pick them one at a time. Question of the day: how long have you been playing the guitar? Leave me a comment. I'd love to know. And here's a big tip: you're going to have to practice. It's better to practice 5 to 10 minutes each day than wait until the end of the week and try and practice for an hour. You get more out of it practicing 10 minutes a day. But if you want to go in depth and learn more chords and more guitar techniques, click the first link in the description for Sharon's Guitar Academy, where I've got a guitar boot camp just for you. And if you like this video, can you give it a thumbs up? And be sure and watch that one next. Thanks.